This week on Dingus vs. Wild, we got another episode of Dingus vs. Kitchen Christmas Edition. Our main ingredient today is from our sponsors, Mayver's Dark Roast Crunchy Peanut Butter. So what we need is we got 5 jars of the delicious Mayver's Dark Roast Peanut Butter for our classic Christmas meal. We got a whole heaping bunch of bananas and some Christmas apples, red and green of both colors. And this is all you need for your Christmas feast this year on Dingus vs. Wild Christmas Edition. So the first thing you're going to want to do is mush up a whole heaping bunch of bananas here. So just take all these bananas out, just throw them in a bowl, and I'm just going to go mush them all up and get quite mushy, these banana dogs. Now that you got a little bit of banana splooge going here, you're going to want to slowly start introducing your peanut butter, okay? So alternating between Mayver's Dark Roast Smooth and Mayver's Dark Roast Crunchy. So you want to dilute that down, right? You got to cut it with something. You can't just go straight nuts in there. That's just insanity. So just start introducing the peanut butter, stirring it through. Maybe even a splash of milk in there to help it all kind of mush together as one. And then Robert is very nearly your father's brother. Now we got 3 jars of Mayver's Dark Roast Peanut Butter in here with a kilogram of bananas, and now we've got it all stirred together. Man, it'd be great to have a blender actually. Now we're gonna start portioning it out into this pan to see what it looks like. See what it looks like in our final display case, and then we'll get involved in our Christmas garnishes after that, which is probably the most important feature. Oh, we'll get this all nice and doled out. See how she looks. Like our little peanut butter casserole display here. Smooth it out nicely. That's the smooth bit of the Mayver's Dark Roast Peanut Butter, is what's making it smoothing out nicely. So bananas, being yellow, are not really part of the Christmas color scheme. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this out as the bottom layer, so a little extra present of banana flavor for those who are reaching the bottom of the dish. And then we're going to cover it up with some more delicious Mayver's peanut butter. And now let's load up another one. Turn me on, turn me loose. Alright, so now that we've got our base in each of our foil serving trays here, we're going to now top it off with some more, you guessed it, Mayver's Dark Roast Peanut Butter. Yeah, this is like icing on the cake really, this extra bit of Mayver's Dark Roast Peanut Butter to make sure it fully has that Mayvery flavor. So it's not actually sold in a separate type of jar, the Mayver's icing, so it's just basically the same thing, just put another layer of the Mayver's icing, what I call it, but actually just Mayver's Dark Roast Peanut Butter. It's just that good. Now at this point you're probably thinking, wow, that looks like a delicious meal in and of itself. Surely it's done. But wait, there's more. We're going to now decorate it with some holiday festive themed apples. We're going to cut these apples in a normal apple cutting fashion into wedges, and then we're just going to put them in the peanut butter. And le voila! there you have it, the perfect Christmas casserole. So happy Christmas from all of us here at Dingus vs. Wild, brought to you in part by Mayver's Dark Roast Peanut Butter. Slimy, but satisfying.